Hello people, welcome to my channel. So as you all know from the cover picture, my today's video will be on removal of dark circles. We will be preparing one roll-on, eye roll-on, and it will be very effective for your dark circles. Before going to the procedure, how to remove your dark circles, how to prepare the roll-on, eye roll-on. For that, I'll be just telling you what are the causes why you get dark circles. Initially, I used to think like if I'll be sleeping for less time or like I'll be sleeping late at night, then only I'll be getting dark circles. But later I found that if I'll sleep more time also, I'll be getting the dark circles. Yes, I have experimented this like by mistakenly only, but I got dark circles. So the thing is that puffiness in your eyes also you will get if you will sleep more. So 7 to 8 hours is mandatory, not 9 to 10 hours or 12 hours. I know some of you can sleep for 10 hours or 12 hours also, but that is not good for your eyes or for your health also. Then sleeping at afternoon. Do not sleep at afternoons after having food. It helps you to gain your weight also. Though I also have that bad habit because if I get time I sleep in the afternoon also, but that you should skip. So first point is our sleeping habit. So in my dark circles video also I have shared the same thing. If you have not watched that, I'll share the link in the descriptions. Anyways, I'll be having hardly some 10-15 videos, so you can go and watch. Again, I'll share the link in description so that it will be easy for you to find out the video. So first will be your sleeping habit. Second, you will be using phone, tablet or laptop. Anytime you are using that, right? So you need to use it for less time. Because see, like if you are constantly looking at some bright thing, that causes dark circles, right? But in this situation it will be very difficult to avoid your phone or to avoid your laptops because we are doing work from home and we are staying at home, we will be getting bored. But that you need to find out like in like which to which time you will be using the phone. So if you keep that in your mind, no, that will help you to use your phone for less time. And work of course we cannot avoid, so for that try to use one anti-reflection glass specs. If you don't have eyesight also, that is fine, but try to use that. That will help you to remove your dark circles, like it will not cause dark circles. So third and very important, that is cold and cough. Some people get cold and cough very easily. I have that problem. So how to get rid of that? You can try some immunity boosters, that is our Chyawanprash. If you're not feeling like having Chyawanprash because that tastes little awkward, but I like the taste, but if you don't feel like having it, try the turmeric wala, that milk. Yeah, just take that kasturi haldi. That is also very good for our stomach. It helps in digestion also, and it will help you to boost your immunity. Your immunity will be stronger. So try that before sleeping every day. If you want, you can skip your dinner also. So try that instead. It will work for sure. And these are the things which causes dark circles. Now, how to get rid of dark circles? First is vitamin A. Second is vitamin K. Third is vitamin E. Vitamin K. From where you will be getting vitamin K? That you can find it in green tea, or else if you don't have green tea you can use coffee instead. So here I'll be taking the coffee already taken. I'll just share the procedure right now. Just go and watch the procedure. Our coffee is ready. I have refrigerated maybe some 10 to 15 minutes, not more than that, because I didn't have time. But if you want, you can keep it for half an hour also, that is fine. So after that you need this eye roll-on bottle that you can easily get in some perfume shop or online also. I'll just I have purchased this from Amazon. I'll just share the link. You need to take little big size. Since my like for my area it was showing out of stock, so that's why I purchased this. It is 3 ml bottle. So the advantage of this roll-on bottle is you can just massage well under your eyes. You can see, and it works amazing. I have tried this for maybe 5 to 10 days. 5 to 7 days I think, and I got an amazing result. That's why I'm sharing this with you. So now we'll go to the process how to prepare the eye roll-on. I have removed the lid now. We have to take coffee. Here I'll be taking it carefully. Okay, this much. There is no specific quantity, guys. Whatever you want, how much quantity you can take, and this you can store this around say in refrigerator, so no particular quantity. Next is almond oil. Here I have taken this almond oil. You can see I'll just share the link in description also. It will be easy for you to get it, to find it. Now we'll be adding the almond oil, equal quantity. As all of you know, almond oil is very essential to remove dark circles, to brighten your skin tone. So, and in my night care cream also I have already shared the benefits of almond. If you have not watched the video, go and watch that. So now we'll close this. We'll go to the next process, that is vitamin E capsule. So we'll take one capsule, just cut it, remove this. Here I have just cut it. Directly we'll be adding in this bottle. Okay, now this is done. You all know the advantage of vitamin E capsules. You can use it for hairs also and for your face also. Dun-dun-dun. This is ready. You need to mix it well before use. Now I'll just keep the cover back. Okay, you need to press it well, mix it. It's ready. By the way, one thing I forgot to share with you, I didn't get vitamin A capsule anywhere in nearby medical stores, and I was scared to go a little far. So what I have done is I have taken a vitamin A tablet. I have powdered it, and while boiling the coffee I have already added it here. So that part I forgot to shoot actually when I was using the vitamin A powdered tablet. So if you are getting the capsule, vitamin A capsule, that you can use it here. Directly you can add it, like I have added the vitamin E capsule, no? That directly you can add it. Now just I will show you how to apply this. Another thing, when to apply this. Daily you have to apply this in night, and you have to keep it overnight. That night care cream I have shared. Now you'll be asking like if you are using night care cream, how to use that. Just leave this part, apply from here and cover all this part, the night care cream, and this you can just cover it under your eyes and over your eyes if you want. So it works amazing, guys. And in the dark circles video, previous video what I have shared, that I have shared the walnut with you. That is also very essential. Whatever steps I have shared in that video, that is also very much like it will be helpful for you. It will work for sure. Just because I'm sharing this video, that doesn't mean that doesn't work. That you can try in daytime, and this you can try it nighttime. So this roll-on I'll be massaging now. Minimum for 10 minutes you need to massage. You need to make time for this, guys. Do it slowly. I'll share the link of the Roll-On bottles also. I feel these are amazing. If you're not finding Roll-On bottles, then you can store it in some other boxes also. So after 10 minutes I'll be showing you. So 10 minutes are already over now. You can see how I have applied. You have to keep it overnight. Do not wash this immediately, and you will see the results in just 7 days. Yes, it works amazing. I have already tried, and whatever steps I have told like in starting of the video, you have to follow that. And this step and the walnuts also you can use in daytime if you really want to remove your dark circles. If you really want to look pretty, then you have to do that. It's not about looking pretty. See, you need to take care of your skin very well, because if you will take care of your skin only, then only it will be healthier, brighter, and the dark spots it can remove. And as I already said, you cannot improve your skin tone, but you can take care of that. So be happy with your skin tone, be happy with your skin type, and try all the remedies. I'm not saying just do follow me. You can try any homemade remedies, and please take care of your skin well. That's all for today, guys. We'll just end the video here right now. You have to try this, guys, and you need to share the results with me so that it will be helping me to get some reviews that it is really working for every skin type or for every skin tone or not. Okay, just take care of yourself, love yourself, stay home, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye, love you all.